Jai Shri Ram. Happy New Year, friends. Today, on the auspicious occasion of 1st January 2022, we are going to talk about divine yogas in 2022. The year 2022 begins on Saturday, ruled by Saturn under the nakshatra Jyeshtha, and this day rises on January 1st, 2022. Saturn is placed in the 10th zodiac sign of Capricorn along with Venus. Jupiter is placed in Aquarius. Rahu is placed in Taurus and Ketu in Scorpio. Let us see when these planets confer Subh Yoga when in combination with other planets. First Subh Yoga in New Year 2022, which we are going to address, is the Buddhaditya Yoga. Combination is possible when Mercury transits from April 8, 2022 to April 25, 2022 with Sun. This yoga is highly auspicious for a person to gain more benefits in the form of intelligence during tedious situations. The person may be facing a lot of troubles, and in this scenario, a person with this yoga will be able to overcome serious problems. With this intelligence, with this yoga, a person can attain more wisdom and convert it into results. Secondly, we are going to talk about Shash Yoga. This yoga is caused by Saturn, which is in its ruling sign Capricorn from the natural zodiac during most part of the year, except the month from April 29, 2022 to July 12, 2022. Results of Shasha Yoga. This yoga is known as one of the Panch Mahapurush Yoga and conferred to a native by planet Saturn. This yoga is formed when Saturn is placed in its own sign or exalted sign. In this context, for this year 2022, Saturn will bless certain natives with this yoga. Due to this yoga, a person is endowed with all virtues of high command, leadership qualities, popularity, and success in business daily. Native with this yoga are capable of meeting with thousand success during the later of their lifespan. Thirdly, we are going to discuss about the yoga which is called Ruchak Yoga. This yoga is caused by the brave planet Mars. Mars is placed in the exalted sign Capricorn from the natural zodiac from February 26, 2022 to April 7, 2022. Results of Ruchak Yoga. This yoga also comes under one of the Panch Mahapurush Yogas, and it conferred to the native by planet Mars. This yoga is formed when Mars is placed in its own sign or exalted sign. In the year 2022, Mars placed in Capricorn confers this yoga to a person. Due to this, a person is endowed with all virtues of braveness, success in getting government jobs, possess high principle, and execute tedious tasks with ease. With this yoga, a person will grow career-wise through promotion and other benefits from time to time. These are the three yogas which I have discussed with you, and if you people like it, we will give you the complete impact of three yogas on 12 zodiac signs. For that, you have to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Jai Shri Ram. Namaskar.